guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do something very fun. Today I have this Roald Dahl books collection for the first time, and I have read these books. I've read Magic Finger. Well, let me show you some books. I read Magic Finger, Matilda, BFG, SU Trot, Roald Dahl, which is Tweets, the Tweets, Magic Finger, BFG, Matilda, SU Trot, the Tweets, and the Witches. And I think that's it. I know. Let's get out a book. I'm gonna choose the book, and you're gonna try to guess it. Okay, I'm gonna tell all about the books, and also I'm gonna be doing something is I'm gonna tell all the names of the book, and it's installed by Quentin Blake. And let's go. We have Matilda, S.U. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, the BFG, the Twits, the Magic Finger, Danny and the Champion of the World, Billy and the Minepins, James and the Giant Peach, Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator, the Giraffe and the Pelly and Me, Fantastic Mr. Fox, Going Solo, the Witches, Boy, George's Marvelous Medicine, and yes. Let's tell all about the books. We're gonna start off with Matilda because I know most of it. I'm gonna tell about Matilda first because I know most about it. Because you might have watched the movie, you might have read the book. It's so big book that I can't even read it. So, Matilda was a little girl. She was born, and then she went past and getting books of the library, and then you know what happened? She went past the school that she wanted to go, and yes, like after that she asked her parents that she was 6.5, and then after that, like she asked her parents to go to a school. And then she wanted to go to school, but then her parents said, after a few days, and then they said yes about it. And she went to school, and then she had a teacher, and like the teacher was so nice, but the principal, no, she wasn't even nice. And then what happened was that she had some friends, but on the way, the principal called her a very bad word. And then she went to her class, and I think one of her friends got low like over there, and she got some flowers to pick up for her teacher, and she gave it. That was one of Matilda's friends, and yeah. Like she had to see some strangers, she thought it was thieves, but her mother and father thought it was not thieves. So I know about that book. I really know it. I'm gonna exchange the book. I'm gonna put these books here. Next is S.U. Trot. So what about S.U. Trot is like, there's Mr. Hoppy and Mrs. Silver, and like Mrs. Silver likes S.U. Trot, and Mr. Hoppy brings poems to S.U. Trot to make him more bigger and bigger. He wants more tortoises, and he got them all. And then like there was like, I don't know how much they were waiting, but it's so big, like it was big, like it was up to my hand, and like it's so like, oh my gosh. It was so big. Miss Silver, in the end, Miss Silver and Mr. Hoppy liked each other after S.U. Trot. And then after Mrs. Silver and Mr. Hobby, there was a girl that was named Rosia, and she was feeding Essie Trot every day. Essie Trot was happy. That's how I know the book. Next book is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Okay, so I, Willy Wonka, have decided to allow 5 children. He has decided to allow 5 children in his factory. Like, people got sucked into things and got a little sucked, chewing bubblegum and more. So what happened was, like, he invited 5 children. 4 of the children got sucked. But one of the child, like, they had golden tickets so he can invite them. And one of the child was actually winning. And that's a boy. It's gonna be a surprise to tell you if you read the book or watched the movie. And like and then like he wins and he goes in the glass elevator here, and they go flying up and they win. They go down in the house, and then Charlie wins. And that's the name of the boy, wins. Okay, guys, if you ever see the movie somewhere, please watch it. If you see Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Matilda, the BFG, or any of these ones, you have to watch the movie. It's so fun, and like you get to see more things, and also the witches. Make sure you watch it. And last one I'm gonna talk about information is the BFG. Okay, about the BFG is like there's I think it's a girl. Yeah, there was a little girl, and she left the house. There was thieves, so she ran past them and saw the BFG. He took the girl. Why am I making the hand like a magic finger? Okay. He was so big, like this. Watch the movie. And then, like, he took him to the place. There was mans trying to kill him. She got into a car. It's hard to tell the whole thing. I know. So yeah, I know all about that. And yeah. So if you like these books, please like, share, subscribe, and put on the notification. So if I upload a video, you can always go in the right time and watch it. So if you like my video, yes, please like, share, subscribe, and notifications on. And then you'll see more videos. Bye.